Before you buy Career.io, there are a few important things you should know. Whether you're trying to land your dream job, switch industries, or accelerate your career growth, this platform can be a game changer. But how does it stack up against other career services like LinkedIn or traditional job boards? Let's dive into the key things you need to know before making the decision. First up, Career.io offers a unique blend of personalized career coaching and automated tools. Unlike LinkedIn, which is more focused on networking, Career.io combines data-driven insights with expert guidance to help you tailor your resume, cover letter, and even job search strategy. This can save you a lot of time and stress, especially if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out how to present your skills effectively. Next, one of the biggest advantages of Career.io is its resume builder, which isn't just a template generator. It uses machine learning to analyze job descriptions in your field and helps you craft a resume that's specifically designed to get past applicant tracking systems, ATS. This feature alone makes it stand out compared to other resume builders, like those on Indeed or Glassdoor, because it targets the systems that are often the first barrier between you and getting hired. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. While other platforms like DopResume and ZipRecruiter offer similar services, they often charge a premium for resume writing or career advice. Career.io, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive package that includes these features at a competitive price. Plus, they give you a chance to try the platform for free through the link in the description, which is a pretty solid offer if you're on the fence. Next thing to keep in mind is Career.io's career coaching. They provide live sessions with expert coaches, which is a major benefit over other platforms that just offer canned advice or templates. These coaches can give you actionable insights tailored to your specific job search, helping you refine your interview skills, work on negotiation strategies, and even boost your LinkedIn profile. If you've ever felt like you're not getting personalized attention from other career platforms, Career.io's approach could be a refreshing change. The fourth thing to know is that Career.io's platform isn't just about landing a job, it's about long-term career development. They provide tools for career growth, not just job placement. This is something that differentiates Career.io from traditional job boards like Monster or Indeed. Career.io wants to help you build a sustainable career, giving you the resources to keep evolving professionally, whether that's through additional certifications, networking tips, or even advice on transitioning into a new field. Another thing to think about is the level of customization. While other platforms might bombard you with general advice or suggest opportunities based on vague job titles, Career.io is focused on what you need specifically. You get personalized career paths based on your skills, experience, and goals. This level of customization can make a significant difference if you're trying to move into a competitive industry or pursue a role that's very different from your past work. And finally, if you're wondering about the platform's user experience, Career.io's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. It doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary information like some other career platforms might. The tools are clearly laid out, and it's simple to track your progress throughout your job search journey. It's designed for people who want results without getting bogged down by confusing menus or tech-heavy features. If you want to try Career.io, now's your chance to get the best offer through the first link in the description below. You'll get a free trial, and with that, access to exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link and see how Career.io can give your career the boost it needs.